Happy Easter, everyone!
And welcome to Baking with Melody and Holly. On today's episode, we'll be making
chocolate bird's nest.
It's very easy to make.
This is one of our favorite Easter recipes. With only 3 ingredients, this no-bake recipe can be whipped up in minutes.
So let's get started.
You'll need 2.5 cups of chocolate chips, 1 bag of hickory sticks, and Cadbury mini eggs.
First, we need to melt the chocolate.
For this step, we recommend you ask your mom or dad to help you with a double boiler. Melt the chocolate chips and stir until smooth. In the meantime, we'll lay some parchment paper on a baking sheet that'll fit in your fridge.
Next, we'll fill the bowl with hickory sticks.
Now that the chocolate is at room temperature, it's time to have some fun.
Let's pour the bowl of chocolate into the hickory sticks.
With a spatula, you'll want to fold the chocolate and the hickory sticks together. Be careful not to break all the hickory sticks.
Can I try?
Sure. Now that everything is covered in chocolate, it's time to create our bird's nests. Using a tablespoon, take a heaping spoonful of nest mix and drop it onto the parchment paper. Working with chocolate can be very messy but extremely fun. You'll want to fill the pan but keep at least an inch between each nest so they don't stick together.
Now we'll add these eggs onto the chocolate nest. This is our favorite part. All done.
Great! Now it's time to let the nests rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until set. The best part about this recipe is that you can make it your own.
You can use white chocolate,
chow mein noodles,
and any type of Easter egg.
The nests are all done, and they look beautiful.
And delicious!
That's it for Baking with Melody and Holly. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!
No, we do the voiceover.